Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring stuttering problem. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, first click here and type view advanced system settings, and then settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and ok, and you can make it for adjust for best appearance whenever you want. Then go to background apps, turn off the first option, go to graphics settings I mean, and then turn on this option. After that, go to game mode, settings, turn on this option, go to captures, turn off recorded audio and background recording, and then turn off this option in Xbox Game Bar, turn it off, and then go to graphics settings, make sure it's on, and then restart your PC. And after starting your PC, open GeForce Experience, check go to drivers, check for updates, install the last update for your graphics card, then open task manager and make sure to close all the applications that you don't need, and then launch Elden Ring as administrator. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.